Hey guys, what's happening? So, looks like the last lesson was a little bit better than the first lesson, which that's what was my hope. So those of you that are continuing to do the lessons, thank you. You can't forget that if you need help or something, dude, you got to shoot me an email. You just got to let me know and be like, Mr. Adams, I need help with something, and then we'll video chat. I've done it with a few of you guys, and it was awesome. I think it was really helpful, and you guys are doing a great job. Don't forget, do your homework, please. Do your assignments. Do everything. Just, it's school. It's going to be like this probably for the rest of the year. So don't be a stranger. Email me. Let me know what's up. Today's lesson is going to be pretty simple. I have here with me there's Tegan. He's my youngest. Say hi, buddy.
Hi.
He's going to take the lesson. Really? That's all you got? Hi. You good? What grade you in?
6.
Nerd. Okay. I want to teach him the lesson as well, so he's going to help along, so he may chime in with some of his answers. Excuse me. Review of last time. All right. So today's lesson, like I said, 5.2b, that's the assignment you're going to be looking for on Skyward, and also hopefully on this video it'll say that. So also, get out a piece of paper and a pencil right now. So seriously, pause this, get it. I know right now, Lauren, you probably got the paper and pencil ready to go, right? Hallie, we're waiting on you. Caden, seriously, get a piece of paper out right now. Get ready to write everything down, because I got that golden rule in my class. If I write it, you write it. So some of you I know are ready to go. Smoot, I know you got it. You're set to go, but you might want to take your headphones out if you want to listen to this. Just kidding. So 5.2b, a little review. Remember, everything we've been dealing with is, Tegan, you can write this stuff down on the side of your paper. Y equals mx plus b. Okay, you're going to write this down because there's going to be a few answers or a few questions on your assignment that are going to be about this, all right? Two things I really want to go over is the m, okay? The m, right there. We've done this before. Yeah, we've done this before, I promise. The m, remember, what do we call that? Tegan, do you know what it's called? No? Okay, you shouldn't. You haven't done this yet. This is called the slope. That is a key word in your notes and in everything you're going to do. M is called the slope in a graph, all right? M's the slope, and B is the other letter we're going to worry about. B is what we call, hint, hint, wink, wink. This is going to be an answer on the assignment, okay? It's going to be an answer. B is your starting point. You guys remember that? Starting, Tegan, you don't have to write this down. Starting point on the y-intercept. Okay, remember doing that before? You might want to write that down. Press pause, get this going down. M is your slope. B is your start on the y-intercept, right, bud? Okay, you press pause. I don't have to hold that up there forever. Those are two main elements and key things that you're going to have to deal with, all right? The next thing, remember, I want to draw a little graph here. And if you want to draw a graph, you probably should. Did you draw a graph?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did. Okay, just go like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press pause, write this down. Draw your own, whatever. So remember, we had a little graph. I would have done this on our board. And if I put a point about right there, can you put a point right there? Looks like I went 3 to the right and 2 up, right? 3 to the right, 2 up. Now, if I was going to label that point, that would be, because I said 3 to the right. Isn't the right the x-intercept? Isn't the x-intercept over here, the ones that go this way? Which means this one is called the y-intercept that goes up and down. So when we put a point on the graph, we got to go 3 to the right. We always got to go right or left first. Here we went right and then up 2. 3, 2. Now we've done this before. You guys have made like a funky looking maple leaf or a Christmas tree on some of those assignments that we've done in the past. This is not new to you guys, all right? So did you write that down? Did you do 3,2, Tegan? That's what the point looks like. So whenever you see something that looks like this, that is a point on the graph. Now the 3 is on which intercept, Tegan?
X.
Yeah, you got it right. X, so I'm going to put a little X above the 3. Okay, so if the 3, Tegan's on the X, what's the 2 on?
X.
Oh, you think you're funny. Man, you fit right in with these guys. I got a joke over here. It's what?
Why?
Yeah, you bang. Yeah, good job. Why? My word. Gosh, you're just like Caden over there and Abram yelling at me. Abram, don't yell at me, okay? Just kidding, bud. So, that's it. This is what the majority of your assignment's going to be, is points on a graph. Okay? Let's put one down here. I'm going to go left 1, 2, 3, 4 and down 3. So I know that's not perfect. It's just an idea. But I went left. So if I was going to go left, Tegan, did you go left 4, down 3? All right, so I got to write this as a point now. I'm going to do it. So I got to write this here. All right? How far left did I go?
4.
So am I going to put a positive 4 or a negative 4?
Negative.
Oh, look at that. So I got a negative 4, and then how far did I go down?
Negative 3.
Nerd, you're doing great. Negative 3. So one of your questions on the assignment's going to say, hey, in this point, negative 4, negative 3, which number is the X? Yeah, I'm talking to you. They can't answer. I hope you're answering in your mind. Okay? You got this, Olivia? You got this right here? So, which number is in the X spot?
Negative 4.
Negative 4. So, good job. There's the X, which means, okay, that's correct. Another question would say, in this point, which number is in the Y spot?
Negative 3.
Negative 3. So that's my Y. So there's my X, there's my Y. Again, guys, this is nothing new. We've done this before. It's kind of what your whole assignment's going to be about. Where's the X? Where's the Y? What number's in the X? What number's in the Y? That's it. Okay? I'm looking at the questions right now, and they all say that. Yeah. We're going to need to memorize this and know this really well. Okay? Because, see how I have these 2 points right here? For our next lesson, 4.2c or what? 5.2c, we're going to have a slope, right? And we're going to have to find that slope using these 2 points. And we better know which ones are X and which ones are Y. So that's why we're going to do this kind of easy lesson right now to get familiar with our X's and with our Y's, because we're going to have to put them both together to figure out what kind of slope we're going to make. And which letter was my slope, Tegan? And Y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. Which one of these letters is my slope?
The M.
Say it louder.
M.
Oh, good job. Yeah, it is. M's my slope. Again, get familiar. Which one's the X? Which one's the Y? Because we're going to have to figure out what the slope is. So I'm going to give you guys a bunch of points. I'm going to give you a cool little formula, and you're going to figure out what the slope is. All right? Okay, that's it. Go back, watch it again, press pause. I hope if I wrote it, you wrote it. And if you have problems or questions with anything, just send me an email. Say, Mr. Adams, let's meet up, and I will invite you, and we'll video chat, and it'll be awesome. It'll be fun. And I hope everything's going great with you guys. This might be the last lesson. Maybe if I'm feeling crazy, I'll do another lesson next week before spring break, because spring break, we won't do anything, right? No assignments, no nothing for a whole week of spring break. But You guys are awesome. Miss you. Bye.